How to add and use Discord welcome bot. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar. Now type Discord bots. Now tap on search. Now open up the first website. Now tap on the search bar and type welcome bot. Now click on search. Now scroll down and tap on channel bot. Now tap on invite. Now select your server. Now tap on continue. Now tap on authorize. Now verify the CAPTCHA. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.